Welcome to this presentation on preparing teachers of the future in the era of artificial intelligence. This research was conducted by Akilu Ismail et al. And published in 3rd August 2024. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Good morning, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's transforming our world at an incredible pace: artificial intelligence, or AI. Now, you might be wondering, what does AI have to do with our teachers and our classrooms? Well, everything. Our research explores the crucial question of why we need to prepare our educators for this AI era. Did you know that AI could potentially automate up to 30% of current teaching administrative tasks? That's a huge amount of time that could be freed up for teachers to focus on what truly matters: personalized student interaction and deeper learning. The integration of AI into education isn't just a possibility, it's a rapidly expanding reality, presenting both incredible opportunities and unique challenges. Our goal is to ensure our teachers are not just keeping up, but leading the way. So, how did we figure out the best way to prepare teachers for this new landscape? Think of it like being a master chef creating a brand new, innovative recipe. Instead of inventing ingredients from scratch, we didn't conduct new experiments or surveys. Instead, we carefully studied what other expert chefs, or in our case, expert researchers, have already discovered about using AI in education. We adopted the methodology of synthesizing existing literature. This means we gathered and analyzed a vast collection of scholarly works and research studies related to AI integration in education. We reviewed these cookbooks to extract the key information, arguments, and innovative strategies already out there. Our goal was to combine these insights to form a comprehensive understanding and propose a clear path forward for our teachers of the future. Now, for the big win from our research. There's often a fear that AI might replace teachers, but our findings strongly suggest the opposite. AI is unlikely to fully replace teachers. Instead, it will augment and enhance their roles. Sama, the most significant discovery is that teachers are irreplaceable for providing emotional support, fostering critical thinking, and nurturing the human connection in learning. We identified 5 core strategies to prepare these teachers of the future to harness AI effectively. These include developing AI literacy, integrating AI directly into teacher training courses, promoting collaborative learning among educators, offering continuous education, and fostering a positive attitude towards AI utilization. This isn't about replacing the human element, it's about empowering it with cutting edge tools. So, how do these findings fit into our world today? AI is no longer a futuristic concept, it's here, impacting every sector, and education is no exception. Our research emphasizes that we must proactively equip our teachers to navigate this new era. This isn't just about teaching them how to use a new app, it's about ensuring they can leverage AI to create more engaging, personalized, and effective learning experiences for every student. It's about preparing students not just for today's jobs, but for the jobs of tomorrow, many of which will involve working alongside AI. By integrating AI into teacher training, we're not just updating curricula, we are future proofing our education system and ensuring that the essential human qualities of teaching remain at the core, even as technology evolves. Looking ahead to the next 5 years, how will this research impact your daily life or the lives of students and educators? Imagine a classroom where teachers, empowered by AI, can spend less time on grading and administrative tasks and more time on creative lesson planning and one on one student support. Students will experience more personalized learning paths, adapting to their unique needs and pace, thanks to AI tools guided by skilled teachers. Teachers will be confident and innovative, using AI to bring subjects to life and make learning more engaging. This research means that our future educators will be equipped to foster critical thinking and emotional intelligence, ensuring that technology serves humanity, not the other way around. Ultimately, it means a more dynamic, effective, and human centered education system for everyone.